What's up? We're headed over to the mall to pick up some GoPro Heroes 5s. What we got on the treasure truck, so I've never done the treasure truck before. Have you ever done the treasure truck?
Never. I heard there's bubbles and lights though.
Bubbles and lights. All right, we'll have to look for it. And hopefully that credit card you put in works too.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Now.
All right, let's see what's gonna happen. All right, there's the Sears. Is that the hotel?
Yeah.
Over there? Okay, so it should be on that side of the parking lot then. Look at all these people getting GoPros. There it is.
The treasure truck.
Wow. Alright, now we gotta figure out how to park. Cool, thank you. Appreciate it. Awesome. What? See what it is, see what it looks like. Alright, this is what we got. 2 GoPro Hero 5 Blacks. Treasure truck. Alright, now we gotta go back. GoPro Hero 5. 230 bucks plus tax. Look at that, 4K, 30 frames per second, 12 megapixel camera. This thing will go under the water 33 feet.
Nice.
Just like it is. The cool thing about this camera is that you don't have to buy a case to waterproof it. Like it's already waterproof like it is. And it's got a touch screen. So it's not the newest.
The original GoPros don't have that, right?
Yeah. This is the first generation with a touch screen, I believe.
With an actual screen at all, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's true. Yeah, you're right.
That's cool.
Cool. All right, let's get it open. All right, let's see if we can see it from up here. Let's see. Oh. Look at that. Try. Bring it around. Except I can't see. Hopefully the camera's in there. Does it look like it's on screen? Cool. There we go, yeah. Now you're set, Brett.
Rear end them. I'll be the only one that's video proof.
This is supposed to help you.
I need to put it facing back.
Yeah, and then we're gonna use them. So we're gonna take the boys out to Mount Asia, do some go-kart racing with them, and it'll be a good opportunity to use the GoPros.
Test them out.
So, cool. See you guys later.